Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Happy first day of summer, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. Well, with the first day of summer, we're packing quite a punch today as the heat continues to build here. We are under a heat advisory for most of Eastern Iowa until 7 o'clock tonight. There could be a chance of some showers and storms, especially south, but it's not expected to be very widespread. Tomorrow, it's going to be mostly sunny and will be much less humid, so feel a little bit more comfortable out there. It'll still be pretty warm though, and then on Thursday the humidity builds back up a little bit and we continue with some mostly sunny skies. So here is that heat advisory. Again, it's for most of Eastern Iowa except for a few counties west, especially to the north, but that does not mean that it's still not going to feel very hot out there. It still could feel like up to 100 to 105 in most places, even those counties that do not have that heat advisory tag on it. So again, make sure as always to stay hydrated out there and get some shade if you can. Now with these dew points, so the reason we are under this heat advisory with those mid-90s temperatures, our dew point expected to be in the lower 70s, and that's going to make it feel like much warmer than it actually is. Tomorrow we do see a little bit of a dip, 58, again upper 50s, lower 60s, not quite super comfortable, but a little bit better than what we've been seeing. But unfortunately we do see a slow climb back up towards that 70 mark by Saturday, so although we do see some relief, it will be temporary. So over the next couple of hours here, so we are expecting these heat indexes to jump a little bit by about 3 o'clock. That's when we expect kind of the high point, the peak. It could feel like up to 100, 105 in these southeastern counties, where those heat advisories are. But again, still will feel warm to the northwest, Decorah, Oelwein, Elkader, Waterloo. They're not out of the exception there. Still will feel like mid to upper 90s and maybe even near 100. Then a cold front's going to start to move through this afternoon. That does bring those chances of showers and storms. Again, it will kind of cool off a little bit. You can see this line start to develop of those cooler temperatures. And then overnight, tonight, and into tomorrow, it will feel much cooler as expected for tomorrow. Now, we are under a level 2 risk here for our far southern counties here. Again, those slight chances that could be some stronger storms, and then a level 1 risk here for the southeastern portion of Eastern Iowa. The risk with that is maybe a slight chance of some large hail and damaging winds and an isolated tornado. Again, not expected to be very widespread, but it could be off to our far southern counties. So the track on this here, so again, in the early afternoon, late evening hours, we might see some cloud cover move in, but you'll notice some showers and storms to develop. Again, that's where that level 2 area risk is. It could miss us off to the south, but if it moves any farther north, we could see those strong to severe storms then. And then overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we could see some more showers and storms develop, move off to the northeast. And otherwise, we'll start off with a mostly cloudy day, but those clouds will break out and we'll see mostly sunny skies. So for today, high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, possibly farther south. Again, we'll start off mostly sunny. We see those chances of showers and storms later this afternoon and evening, mainly to our south. And then for tonight, those storms should end again, maybe around early night hours. Could see some into the overnight hours. Otherwise, it'll be partly cloudy with low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. City by city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Again, we cool off with the humidity and with the temperatures, but still will feel warm up there. And then Thursday, we do expect temperatures to climb back into the 90s. This weekend, we will see a chance of some scattered showers and storms Thursday night into Friday and then into Saturday. But then look at this. Starting Sunday, we cool off quite a bit with below average temperatures, something we haven't seen in a while. And we do expect temperatures to stay in the low 80s for the rest of next week.